Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is a little bit of a special video because it's going to be a vlog when I'm going to prep for the ENHYPEN concert in Paris, so come with me. So here, this is just me showing off my outfit and also my photo cards on my bag because this is really important. So in the morning I went to do my nails, but the weather was so bad, rainy, windy, almost a storm, and I was kind of struggling with my umbrella here, and I was also rushing because I decided to take the bus, which was not the best idea because it got me late, and so I was kind of rushing to the appointment. And when I just got there, it was also raining and I was like, what do I do now? But in the end, everything worked out, so no problem. Here's me going back home, and I wanted to show my nails in the elevator but didn't really succeed, but I was so happy with it. And I think the nail lady just did so well for a really fair price of 45 euros, which I think is golden because in nail salons nowadays it's at least 60. So I was like, wow. And this was my inspo picks, and I just decided to go with red instead of lighter colors because I thought it would suit more the ENHYPEN concept. So incredible. After lunch I wanted to go to the ENHYPEN pop-up store in Paris, but look at that weather and I was not going again outside under the storm, so I decided to wait until it cleared up, and here's me going out again since it was shinier. And yeah, I was quite motivated, and here I took the subway to get there. It was pretty far away, so I got there pretty late, but then I was so happy when I saw the banner. And then I saw the line and I was not happy anymore, and I actually told myself, should I go home, because the line was long. I couldn't film it really well because I didn't want to film people, but I waited I think an hour and a half. So once you get inside, they give you a paper with the list of every item you can buy, and this is everything that was inside. So obviously album, and also MV playing at the back. Then there was individual portraits of each member, which you could also buy, and a cap, earrings that were sold out, I believe, and a ring keychain. Then the light stick, which was actually cheaper than usual, but I didn't get it since I already have mine. There was a lot of people, so I tried my best to film, but yeah, this is the light band, so to put around your waist at the concert. And I couldn't film it, but there were also a clear bag, I think, and some other items. A lot of shirts to choose from, which they were all quite nice, but this is the one I wanted. And also a pair of shorts, and the red thing, I was wondering what it was because it was ugly, but I guess it's for the rain. And this is the back of the shirt I wanted. There was also a sweatshirt which was amazing, quite similar to the shirt I wanted, but so expensive, so I couldn't buy it. Yeah, sadly. Then I ticked what I wanted on the little paper and I went upstairs. So the pop-up was divided on 2 levels, which was quite nice, but there was still so much people that you have to wait so long. Sorry, the camera was a little blurry during that time. And then I went to get my shirt, but there was another line, so I had to wait again, and there were so many people, so it was so hot, and I didn't have any water. But yeah, I mean, in the end I still got my shirt in size M, and I went home because I was so done. Okay guys, I can absolutely not see my screen, also I don't have my mic with me, so probably the sound is gonna be horrible, but like, I've just got my bag and get out of the store. It took me 3 freaking hours. Like 3 freaking hours of waiting, and waiting more. So I'm kind of super tired and drained, but we'll see. I'll go home and I'm going to open it for you. But only got one stuff because I was like, do I need the other things? Absolutely not, because it was like photo cards and stuff. So I thought like it's not necessary. So we'll see. Now I have to go home and I'll probably take a rest first because like I'm so tired and I need to drink. So yeah, see you in a bit. So I came back like a few hours ago. I ate, I rested and everything, but I'm still freaking tired. I want to take a shower and hop in the bed. But I think I'm glad and that I went today because it's already the first day of the pop-up, the first afternoon. But I saw on Twitter already that like a lot of items were already sold out for the rest of the week. So I was like, but it was, at first it was raining when I got there, and then it started when I was in the line. It started getting super hot with the sun, and I was in black, so I was dying. And when I went inside, there was so many people. I was dying. Literally, I was dying because I didn't take my fan with me. I was like, it's not necessary because it's like raining like crazy. I regret it. But anyways, time for the real deal. So I went to find an outfit for the concert actually because I'm not the biggest fashionista. I just don't know how to dress. Okay, so I went to buy a t-shirt as you saw on the video because I needed it. So when you go there, after waiting for an hour and a half outside under the burning sun, there was a kind of a space dedicated to ENHYPEN, which was very small compared to what I saw for London and for just other city. So it was very, very small. Like, I'm not gonna say the size of my room, but you know, it was kind of an open space. It was not really a full space dedicated to ENHYPEN, just like a corner for ENHYPEN. And there they hand you like the paper that you saw on the video, and when you have to mark which item you want, and then you go to another level and then just make use. They give you out your items and then you pay. This was free, given by the French fan base. Close up. Yeah, it looks okay. And then some text written at the back. I think the back looks cuter. And a random card. So it's called ENHYPEN Pop-Up. A random draw, and I got Nikki. I think this is Nikki from Orange Blood area. Obviously I wanted to have Eason, but the probabilities were crazy. And also some people were trading. Someone asked if I wanted to trade mine. I was like, sure, but she wanted to have Sanguine, and I was like, sorry, I got Nikki. So sometimes when I went there, I was like, I know why I'm going there, right? But I absolutely forgot that all the people that were waiting the line are also engines. So this is the photo. This is nice, but it's, you can see it's not a photo card because it doesn't have rounded edges, but we love King. And then the t-shirt came in a really nice bag, and I think this is great because we want a little bit of protection for this item. Should I tell the price? Maybe you saw it already. I'm gonna say it afterward. There were a lot of items such as like photo cards, a lot of stuff like this, but I didn't want to spend my money on that because I already have so much photo cards, so much paper, right? But the clothing items, the light stick and stuff was pretty expensive. Actually, the light stick was the second version, I believe, was cheaper than the one I bought. But I already have it, so. So here's the baby. Wait, let me show you. It matched the nails. Wait, how did it matched the nails? I'm so sorry, but I'm so proud of myself. So this is the t-shirt from the front. It's written "Walk the Line" with a flame heart. How do you call this? And this is the back with all the tour dates. Wait, it's called ENHYPEN World Tour. Their first ever world tour including Europe. Oh, I think it's all the Europe date. Oh no, it's all the date. Yeah, all the date. Europe and US dates. Oh, it's a little bit cut there. Oh wow, I didn't knew that. Wait! Is it a design? I guess it is, but I didn't know that. I hope it's not going to like... It's not going to get crazy after washing. Because now it's time to say the price. I spent 60 euros on this t-shirt. 60 euro for a t-shirt. So I took it size M because I was like, the guy was not sure if it was oversized or not, and I prefer having big t-shirts. Like I wear men t-shirts sometimes, so I wear my brother's t-shirts though. So this is going to be part of my outfit for the concert next week, and I keep you guys updated, and I see you soon in the next video, which I hope is going to be the vlog of the concert. So yeah.